Hey guys, Fishy here, and I cannot tell you how many stories I've seen using The View as a means of clickbait. Here we have, after The View host abruptly leaves show, fans are not going to like who could be replacing her. Everybody wants to use The View as bait because people will click on it. And this is just recycled from the headline of this piece from viralnewsabc.site. That's a site pretending to be ABC, trying to get traffic through looking legitimate. And it's being shared by Lesely Green. So, of course, we're curious. When I look at viralnewsabc.site, I can see that these profiles, many of whom have been taken down, originate in Pakistan or speak Hindi or comment in Hindi. A few of them might have tags in India. That's where this is originating from, this ABC spoof of a site. And so we're going to take a close look at Lesely Green. And we can look and see Washington, Pennsylvania is where Lesely is supposed to be. And she really likes Ivanka Trump, and she shares a lot of images of Ivanka Trump from one particular page that I hadn't seen before today. But there it is. That's all, practically all of her profile except for a few photos. That's it. Now, when we go look at photos commented on by Lesely Green, this is what we get. We get things like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. And when we go down and look at this, we look at this guy, and we can go check all the tags here and find Lesely Green. And we see the reply here. It says, "Thanks, Tahir Majeed." And it's Lesely Green. Are you surprised? After all this, you shouldn't be. This is the 300th video from our YouTube channel. So most of those 300 videos have been unfaking things. That's what we've been doing lately. So yay for us getting to 300 videos on the channel. Not all of that is fakery. Some of that is other things that I've been interested in. But we've hit the 300 mark. That's a pretty big deal for us. So share our page on Facebook, Unfakery, or Twitter, Unfakery, or go to YouTube. For now, it's Something Fishy TX. And you can like and subscribe and follow and do all that wonderful stuff. And that will help us get the word out about people like Tahir Majeed fooling people into thinking he's Lesely Green.